Today we are going to share the best delicious chicken fry. Let's start. Anyone can prepare this, even bachelors, beginners, anyone. Follow the steps and it will be so easy to prepare it. First we have to cut the onion in big pieces and we have to fry till the golden brown. Then I have kept the marinated chicken in the fridge. So I have kept it for minimum 3 to 4 hours so that it can boil properly and you can find it good, really yummy taste, because all the masala, all the flavors will go inside the chicken. One time you prepare like this and write in the comment box how it is. I would be happy to read your comment. It's almost be golden brown color. Then we have to put our chicken on it. Yes, we will put it now. So everything will boil and will give you a good mouth-watering taste. You don't need to go to restaurant to have a chicken curry or chicken fry. So in home everyone can prepare it. It will take only 30 to 45 minutes, because I have not used the pressure cooker. I did in the kadai, because in pressure cooker that flavor will not come which will come in the kadai. So try to prepare in the kadai. So mix all the onion and chicken and make the flame little medium. Let it be open, don't cover now. Let it be open for 10 minutes at least so that the smell will not be there. Then after that you have to cover it so that it will be boiled properly and all the water will come from the chicken. See how the water started to come. Now you can mix one time. In between you have to mix and you have to cover it until it will be ready. If we will not mix sometimes, then there might be chance that it can burn from the bottom of the kadai. So make sure to mix the chicken masala. So every 5 to 7 minutes you just have to mix, then again cover. It will take little time, but the taste will be really awesome and it's mind-blowing. You try it one time and you just write how you have prepared and how was the taste. And to marinate chicken, so I will just tell the ingredients. You have to put little coriander powder, jeera powder, tandoor chicken masala powder or Everest chicken masala powder, salt, turmeric, 2 spoons of curd. Then if you have the soya sauce, you can put the soya sauce, because the soya sauce will make the chicken soft and very tasty. Then you mix everything and after that you prepare some masala. For masala, what you have to do, take little ginger and garlic. So how much ginger you will take? You can take 3 times of the ginger for the garlic, because ginger smell is very high, so we have to take 3 times more garlic than ginger. Then 3 to 4 big onions. I have not grind the onion because it will take more time to make the masala ready. I have only grinded the ginger and garlic. While doing the grinding ginger garlic, I put some cinnamon and elaichi so that the flavor will be awesome. So by adding all this, you can put it in the fridge for marination. Then after marinating, it will be a good taste. So in this stage also we can put the chicken masala. I always like to use the Everest chicken masala, because this Everest chicken masala taste is very good actually. Don't think this is a sponsored video. I am just telling my experience that I love this Everest chicken masala. It's really awesome. If you will prepare chicken, no, like whole of the building smell will come. That yummy, something is happening special this somewhere. See, almost our gravy is ready. You can see. So again, like same procedure you have to follow. You have to just mix, then cover, because like we have to make sure the bottom part should not be burned. So it's almost, the gravy is little thick. The color is also looking so awesome. After again 10 minutes, you can see all the oils started coming out. That means our chicken is almost in the ready phase, and you can see the leg piece over there. So already that bone part is visible. That means you can see from there that chicken is ready, because when it is boiled, that bone will start visible. So you can know that our chicken is ready. If you have your some coriander leaves, you can put it in the chicken curry. It will taste more better. You can eat this chicken with basmati rice or chapati, parota, anything. Our chicken curry is ready. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest updates. See you my friends. See you in the next video.